Colombo, the vibrant capital city of Sri Lanka, holds a significant distinction as the first Ramsar-designated wetland capital city, an honor reflecting its commitment to the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands. This designation underscores the city's recognition of the ecological, cultural, and socio-economic value of its wetlands. Colombo's urban wetlands, including prominent sites like the Bellangwilla Attidiya Marsh, Muthurajawala Marsh, and the Devanna Lake, all play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance and supporting biodiversity within the metropolitan area. Urban wetlands in Colombo are biodiversity hotspots, providing habitat for a wide variety of flora and fauna. Wetlands also play a vital role in climate regulation by acting as carbon sinks. They sequester carbon dioxide, which helps mitigate the effects of climate change. Wetlands in Colombo act as natural buffers against flooding. They absorb excess rainwater during heavy rains and release it slowly, reducing the risk of floods. Urban wetlands also contribute to water purification by filtering pollutants and sediments from the water. Colombo's wetlands offer recreational opportunities for residents and tourists alike. These green spaces provide a respite from the urban environment, offering activities such as birdwatching, boating, and nature walks. The wetlands hold cultural significance for local communities and serve as educational sites for schools and universities. They provide a living laboratory for students and researchers to study ecological processes, conservation methods, and the importance of biodiversity. Within the hustle and bustle of the urban city life and just off the main roads lies a sanctuary and an oasis within urban concrete surroundings. The Beddagana urban wetland, which is part of the floodplain of the Devanna Lake, is a section of a larger wildlife sanctuary declared by the Department of Wildlife Conservation in 1985. Though only 20 hectares in area, it is a small but important location for its value of an urban wetland. The wetland park was initiated in 2016 by the UDA, the Urban Development Authority, and is currently managed by the Department of Wildlife Conservation. The Beddagana Wetland Park is inside the perimeter of the ancient city and kingdom of Kotte and borders the Devanna Oil Lake. With over 1.5 kilometers of footpaths, this is a delightful way to spend a few hours immersed within nature's splendor. The design and construction of the park facilities adopts best practices in order to minimize stress and impacts on the wetlands while maintaining natural assets. The wetland's importance is underscored by the fact that it acts as a filter for polluted water, moving between Atholkote and Pittakote towards freshwater bodies. Towards this end, the Hangwana plant, found abundantly, plays an important role in acting as a natural biological water filter and purifier. Beddagana Wetland Park provides a home for a wide variety of birds, butterflies, dragonflies, fish, and various fauna who can be found amongst the wetland vegetation and tranquil ponds. The onset of the monsoon brings out a diverse set of butterfly and dragonfly species. The site is abundant with bird species like cormorant, purple swamp hen, babbler, kingfisher, little green bee-eater, red-wattled lapwing, white-bellied sea eagle, and white-breasted waterhen. The bird species here attract wildlife enthusiasts, birders, and photographers. However, as the wetland doesn't have a mudflat, the presence of waders is rare. invasive species is naturally a problem, and plants such as Annona glabra, Salvinia, and Iconia or water hyacinth pose a real threat by disrupting the flourishing of the biological system. Invasive species of fish like tilapia and Mayan cichlid too have found their way from the nearby Beddagana Wetland Lake. This location is a live project that aims to underscore the importance of wetlands to the overall livability of cities such as Colombo. This status is augmented by the fact that the Beddagana wetland is part of a corridor of waterways connecting other wetland areas in Colombo. The Beddagana Wetland Park provides a recreational location that also helps with flood control, provides a refuge for flora and fauna, and moderates the temperature of the immediate surrounding. The park also provides a facility that educates the public about the city's natural resources, as well as providing much-needed open space and walking paths. Let's preserve this valuable natural resource, which provides an invisible contribution to sustaining valuable ecosystems and biodiversity in Colombo.